Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to download and install one of the best programming languages, that is Python. Python is nowadays used in a wide variety of applications such as automation, AI, it's even used in creating websites and much more. Today we're also going to be looking at how to download and install a code editor for Python. Code editors are basically specialized text editors that help make the program easier for beginners to use and just easier to understand overall. Yeah, so let's get started. Open any web browser such as Chrome and type in python.org as you can see here. Then it should bring you to this page. Hover your cursor over downloads, click all releases. For me right now, the highest version is 3.8.3. Even if it's a higher version for you guys, most of the rules are still the same. So yeah, let's do it. Click download. It should bring this up. Click that. And yeah, I'm not going to customize installation. You can if you want to. But I'm just going to keep everything default and install. I'll see you after it downloads, guys. Yeah guys, this is what it should look like after you've installed Python. So yeah, this is the Python application. So now go back to the home page and type in Pycharm. That's the name of the code editor we're going to download. Pycharm is one of the best code editors actually. Okay, loading. It should bring you to this page. Click download. And because this series is for beginners, we're going to go with Community Edition. Especially because it's for beginners and easier to use. Plus, it doesn't cost any money. So let's go ahead. Okay, download. And as you can see on the bottom left corner, it's downloading. I'll see after it downloads. And yeah guys, after it downloads, all you have to do is just click that bottom left corner. And this should come up. Click yes, and this will come. Click next, next. Just keep clicking next, and then install. Yeah, it's installing. And yeah, guys, after it installs, this is the page that should come up. Take Run Pycharm Community Edition and click Finish. Do not import settings, and yeah. You can click light if you want. I'm gonna go with Zakala because I like that. Next, start using Pycharm. And yeah guys, we have now successfully installed Pycharm. So in the upcoming videos, we're going to learn how to code in Python using the Pycharm code editor that we have just now successfully downloaded. Yeah, and I think that'll wrap it up for this video, guys. I'll see you guys next time when we learn how to code in Python. Bye!